Hello and welcome to my video of PMP free mock exams list and tips. One of the common struggle for PMP aspirants is to get the link of quality mock exams to prepare for the final examinations. Well, in this video, I will be sharing the list of free mock exams with tips for the benefit of PMP aspirants. The list which I am going to share consists of 720 free mock exams which of high quality that will be helpful for your scenario based questions in the final examination and to match your time. If you are new to my channel and watching for the first time, let me welcome you first. I am Praveen Pasam and I am a certified PMP and supply chain professional having 14 years of experience in various verticals. The tips and tricks I share in my channel are most important ones what I studied during my PMP preparation. I will now take you to the topic. Coming to the first slide, tips. All PMP aspirants would like to pass the exam in the first attempt and they will have doubt about their readiness for the final exam. Remember, PMP exam is all about our understanding of the processes and procedures at certain stages of the project, and it will test your capability in the defined time of 4 hours. That is equal to 240 minutes. To over exaggerate, it is 14,400 seconds for 200 questions. PMP aspirants will be having 72 to 72 seconds to answer each question. They could only achieve the time target through practicing as many as 1400 questions based on my experience. So top tip I would suggest to aspirants, quality mock exams will help a lot, especially if the mock exams are to be carried out in a simulated environment with a timer similar to the real exam. I would insist time is the essence for the PMP exam. Aspirants will come under tremendous pressure if they delay answering the questions. So better you put the question under review if you have a doubt on the answers and proceed further to match the time of 70 seconds per question. Coming to the second slide about my experience, I explored the internet a lot during my PMP exam preparation to find the best mock exams without spending much of money. Based on my experience, I would suggest the list provided of free PMP sample exam questions for aspirants to test their exam readiness. Through this quality mocks, I find that the results are a good indicator for the actual exam performance. Many of my fellow aspirants shared the positive feedback with similar experience I realized with the free mocks. Try these mocks for free and all the best for your exams. Note, I passed the exam with all above targets. Coming to the slide number 3, these are the list of free mock exams, quality ones which are available in the internet. The first one is Oliver Lehmann and you will have 100 questions. My first time results I scored 85%. The second one is free PM exam simulator that will have 20 questions. I scored 80%. Simply learn free PMP mock exam that will have 200 questions. You have to register yourself to access this 200 questions. I scored 75%. And you have Oliver Lehmann, that is a downloadable PDF format which comes around 180 to 200 questions. This is the difficult one. If you score above 75%, it is self-assured like you can score good marks in the final examination. And the fifth one is Edwell mock exam that will have 75 questions. I scored 80%. And finally, the PMI mock exam, which is free for the PMI members, which is 200 questions, which is most important and not to miss by all the PMP aspirants. I scored 70% in my first time results. And don't worry about the PMI mock exams lesser percentage. You can achieve easily in the final examination if you score 70% in the mocks. This list covers almost 795 questions And if you are following a resource like Rita's 9th edition, then you must have completed almost 400 sample questions. So 1200 questions is more than sufficient for you to get yourself into the final examination. As I mentioned before, I passed the PMP exam on the first try with the following results. This list will help you as reference for your preparations. My proficiency levels according to domains, I scored all above targets and all proficient following the all the free mock exams which I shared in the previous slide. I hope that the information provided above may serve as a benchmark for your estimation of your exam results. These exams are absolutely free and are more than enough for your mock exam needs. If you can score anywhere between 75% to 80% in the first attempt. All the questions are very high qualities and the explanations to the answers are very detailed. If you have tight budget on exam, just explore the above free PMP exam questions for your exam success. I have provided the below links in the description. Please feel free to drop your comments, and you can reach me at my LinkedIn profile which I have given in the description. Thanks for watching, and please follow my channel. Please like, share and subscribe.